Been a long time. Mr. M here. Beast double arrow. Right, so we're running in a live trade. Okay, as you can see, top left corner, live market, no demo. Okay, currently running at 40, 45 pips, 46 pips, hovering around. Okay, yeah, and the currency pair we're trading is the USD JPY. USD JPY. All right, you can go onto your own charts. You can go have a look. Okay, to see what I'm showing here is indeed true. Okay, as you know, very simple, guys. Big arrow, little arrow, and we take our trade. Okay, very simple. There's nothing, no rocket science here. Big arrow, little arrow, and we take our trade. Okay, currently running on a 15-minute chart. Okay, 15-minute chart. Like I said, is USD JPY. All right, running at 61 pips. Date today is the 31st of March. Okay, 31st of March. You can go check out your charts. All right, so we're gonna have this trade running. Okay, I currently move my stop loss. As you know, as I explained the rules, your stop loss goes above your big arrow, but in this instance I moved it to break even. Okay, so I'm basically in a risk-free trade. All right, risk-free trade. So it doesn't matter what happens. If the market moves against me, I don't lose any money. Okay, as you know, I don't lose any money. So yeah, we'll have this trade running, and then I will give you guys an update a little bit later. So we're gonna pause this video for now. We are gonna pause it for now and then come back a little bit later. Okay, so chat you guys a little bit later. So I'll show you the outcome of this trade. Mr. M, Beast double arrow, standing by. Hi guys, we're back. Mr. M here, Beast double arrow. This is an update of the previous video. Currently running at 111 pips. Yes, as you can see, the pips is running here. All right, 113. Okay, once again, it's a live account. No demos here, guys. No demos. Live. All right, live account. All right, and USD JPY. So you can go check your charts. Okay, you can go check your charts and see what happened on this day, 31st of March 2020. Euro US USD JPY currently running at 129 pips. Okay, as we know the rules of double arrow, beast double arrow, big arrow, little arrow, and then we enter our trade. Okay, so yeah guys, this is the update. So if you want to hook me up, you can email me at beastdoublearrow@gmail.com, and then yeah, if you got further questions, leave a comment. I will definitely reply back to you. But yeah, so we're gonna close this trade now because I believe there's news release coming out for the US dollar. So currently at 122 pips, 123 pips. Yeah, any case, just to show you guys, a lot of people say that yeah, this don't work, that don't work. Okay, I'm showing you guys live. It's a live trade, live. As you can see, left top corner, live. Okay guys, Mr. M, Beast double arrow, signing out. Ciao for now.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.